Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make Dalgona coffee and cappuccino. Dalgona coffee is a viral frosty coffee from South Korea. It is like reversed cappuccino because we use milk as the base then and whip coffee on the top and whipping it well. We must whip those three ingredients well and add into the hot milk or fresh cold milk. We'll see how to make that. This one small sachet packet have 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon means and 2 packets have 2 teaspoons. And water also we must add 2 teaspoons. Two sachet packets of Nescafe and instant coffee and 2 teaspoons of water, and we must add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I am adding 4 teaspoons of sugar, otherwise this one will be bitter. And another little 4 teaspoons of water and beat well. Between for this one, another have to beat. Till to dissolve the sugar, you must whip this. Here, other little have to whip. Have sugar in this. This is enough now. Here I took a piping bag, put a nozzle for this star nozzle, curved one, and then pour this all the you took 2 packets of Nestle sachet classic packets. You can serve for 4 glasses. Add cold milk, fresh milk or powdered milk, never mind. You can add ice cubes also if you like. And pipe like this. When we are making cappuccino, we must make the coffee and add foam steam milk. Steam and foam milk. Till then, we'll make the coffee first for the cappuccino. And hot water. We must steam the milk and blend it and take. We haven't here to do. We must foam it up the milk. No, that's why I am blending and taking and adding to. Here's my foamed milk. I blend it and took. Now we'll pour it and see. It's nicely foamed. Then only you can make as the cream. Here's the foam. This is the foam, and if we have thick milk only, we can take the correct consistency. This is my foamed cappuccino, hot cappuccino. When you are making the cappuccino, you add to the coffee sugar. Then only sweetness will be there. And something have to tell, the milk must be very thick, or even we must use little heavy cream or fresh cream. Then only when we are beating in blending time, we must add little heavy cream or fresh cream or anything. Then only the foams will be thick. Then you can take as that they are showing method. Today I use only the fresh milk. That's why this much foam only we can. When we blend the milk, we can take this much amount foams only we can take from normal milk. If the milk is very thick, you can take nicely foam and you can make a nice cappuccino. Also, if you need sugar, you add. In this have little amount of sugar. To the coffee add sugar, then the consistency will be correct. This is my Dalgona and cappuccino. You also make and try and say. Thank you for watching.